The code names for Samsung's upcoming smartwatch Galaxy Watch 5 have emerged and seemingly confirm a drastic change in the company's smartwatch lineup for 2022. Once again, these code names hint that a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro model is in the works, as we have been hearing for a very long time, though the final moniker could be different. The code names discovered by GalaxyClub are Heart S, Heart L, and Heart Pro. The Heart S codename is presumably linked with the most compact version of the 2022 smartwatch variant, 40-42mm. It's associated with model number SMR90X. With that in mind, the Heart L codename should correspond to the larger 44mm or 46mm Galaxy Watch 5 model. The latter is associated with model number SM-R91X. And finally, we have heard that the Heart Pro codename corresponds to model number SM-R92X. However, whether or not this variant will be called the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro remains to be seen. It could very well be named the Galaxy Watch 5 Ultra, but regardless, it will reportedly be available in only one size. According to @UniverseIce, Samsung will manufacture the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with a titanium case, compared to the aluminum and stainless steel it used in the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, respectively. Incidentally, Apple already offers titanium finishes with the Apple Watch. Currently, titanium versions of the Watch Series 7 start at $799 with a sports band, sport loop, or a solo loop. @UniverseIce adds that Samsung will protect the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with sapphire glass in another nod to the Apple Watch series. For reference, sapphire glass is not as scratch-resistant as sapphire, as shown a few years ago by Jerry Rig Everything. Still, sapphire glass should provide greater scratch resistance than Gorilla Glass DX, with which Samsung equips the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Unfortunately, we haven't heard any news about the display in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro from Ice Universe yet, although we would not rule out it featuring the rotating bezel from the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Even the smallest Galaxy Watch 5 Heart S has a bigger battery. Prior to these fresh bits of information emerging, Sam Mobile has exclusively reported on the so-called Galaxy Watch 5 Pro featuring a monster battery. But interestingly enough, even the smaller Heart S Galaxy Watch 5 variant will benefit from a bigger battery compared to this year's model. Said battery carries model number ED-BR900ABY and was spotted at Safety Korea all the way back in March. With a bit of math, it was determined that this battery has a rated capacity of 276 mAh. In contrast, the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4 is equipped with a 247 mAh battery. Means we could get a bigger battery and better battery in the Galaxy Watch 5 series. So this was the end of our today's video. I really hope that you guys liked our today's video. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.